Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, July the 2nd, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cyber Block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number double eight, double three. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 17 printed digits should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 17, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. But I don't think it's a 4 stars. I think it's rather a 0 stars or 1 star, because for 0 stars I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. For a 1 star puzzle, need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 4 stars or 1 star or 0 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. We see only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here duo box? Contains the 1 and the 2. No duo boxes in this puzzle. How about triple box? I see only one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. The 1 and the 2 is already given, so this box should be a 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. More triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes? Well, I see here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these two boxes can be a 4, and that box can be a 4. So one box left for the 4 in this big quarter box should be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. More quarter boxes? No. Then, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Okay. The T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. We have more of these kind of shapes. Let me check. No, only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Let me draw this shape here. Where you see this kind of shape? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Or that shape? Doesn't matter. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. Yeah, here another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, only 3 of them. And then the final shape, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see this L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box It's the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. I believe the Z or the S construction is missing here. Anyway, we have here total of 5 shapes. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. 2 missing numbers in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. Then, let me see, I think this box should be a 3, because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 3. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 1 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, so we also a 2. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be in, 3 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be so 3 is also connected with that box, should be so 3. Alright. Now, let me see. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. Alright, then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 3. Those 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Yeah. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 over here. That means that box can be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. We need a 4 here. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there then. Alright, let me go up. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. Oh wait, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. The hard part. 5. Well, we have a double 2 there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Interesting. 2 and 5. Well, in this area we need a 5. That means that box cannot be a 5. If I place a 5 here, then these 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So the 5 should be here or there. But we already have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5. Can it be a 4? Can it be a 3? Should be a 2. Can it be a 1? Yes, this box should be a 2. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well. This box can be a 5, but also that box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Think. Come on. These two boxes can be a 5. So one box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. Two numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes at there. This box can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can be 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. One box left in this area for number 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4. Is also connected with this box, should be also 4. This box is connected with that box, should be on 1. Is also connected with this box, should be also 1. Alright. Then, these two boxes can be on 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1 here. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Then let me see. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So these two boxes can be 3, but also that box can be a 3. So one box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1. And 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so one box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. And I've eliminated here the 5. So the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. Let me mark those. 1 and 4. 1 and the 4. Is connected with that box. Should be so 1 and the 4. Mark those two boxes all the way to 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. So 1 box left in this area for number 4. This one is connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright. Mark those two boxes all the way to 2. We have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. Alright, and now mark those two boxes all the way to 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright, and now let me see. These two boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 to 5, 2 to 5, okay. Then, let me see. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, and this box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area, supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 5 goes there. 2 and 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 5, so one box left for the 5 in this T-shaped area supposed to be here, and the final two numbers in this T-shaped area for the numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be in, a 2 goes there, finish in at 40 minutes. 14 minutes. Well, faster than 15 minutes should be a 1 star. Can it be a 4? Can be a 3? Can be a 2? Should be a 1 star. I'm not faster than 14, 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow on Wednesday. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.